Hi, this is Ryan with Iron Planet Hobbies, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the Digikeijs DR4018 using the NCE PowerCab, and this setup will also work with the PowerCab, and you can use the same method for programming the Digikeijs DR4024 servo controller. First thing you need to do is make your connections, and so right here I have the two wires coming off of the track output from the command station, and they are connected to the signal input, and then I also have them ran over to the power input. Now this will work for setting up and for operations. However, if you end up using multiple DR4018s, then you would want to add an external power supply, and I'll leave a link to that in the description below. And now to get set up, the 4018 right out of the box is already programmed to work with the snap switches, and here I have an Atlas and a Kato, and this also works with the Bachmann Easy Track. And if your turnout has two wires, I have the DR4101, which is a switch motor interface that converts the three wires on your output from here into the two wires to be used with this style of switch. And this will also work with the MTH and the Lionel. These are S gauge, and so any of the twin coil type, it will work just fine. This has the three wires, so therefore there is no interface being used. So coming out, you have the C, which goes to the middle one, and then either one of the other two off the 1 and the 2. And same for the switch motor interface, just keep the C going into the middle, and then your two outer wires can be on either side. If your turnout is not throwing according to the throw and closed commands, then simply reverse the two wires and that will correct that. So right out of the box, this will be your switch number 1, 2, 3, and so on. And then if you need more of these, then you will set your board ID to number 9, and then therefore on the second one, the first output will be 9, the second output will be 10, and so on. And so to throw this on the NCE, you want to hit your accessory button, and I have this one right now programmed to 12, so that is the number you're seeing here, and then you want to hit the enter button. And you can see on the screen, this is one really neat feature, you can see that the turnout is already set to normal, so that's the in, so 1 would be in, 2 would be for reversed. So to throw this turnout right now, we would want to go to the number 2, and you can see it thrown. And so once you do that, it goes back to the home screen. So you would just press the button again, then hit enter again, and now this time you can see it is reversed. And so to throw it this time, you would hit the number 1 button, and you can see that throws. Now to throw this Kato turnout, we will need to change it, so we will go to accessory, and this is set to the next number, which will be 13, and then when you hit the enter button, and you can see it is set to normal, so we will need to press the number 2 button to make it throw, and there you can see it's thrown. So that's how easy it is to throw the turnouts. To change the board ID, then all you do is press the button there and the red light comes on. And then over here on the throttle, we're going to select the accessory button. And let's say we want to set this to number 10. We will just dial up number 10 and then hit enter. And all you have to do here is press either the 1 or the 2 button. It doesn't matter which one. And as soon as you do that, it will throw it, and the red light will go off, showing that it's accepted the address. And so now it is set to 10. So your first output will be 10, second output will be 11, and so on. So you can set these up in order, Make sure that the numbers do not conflict with any other accessories that you would have on the system. And you can also program this using JMRI. There is a setting in there for that, and also makes it programming very easy. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.